come alive when I've been a bitch over. It's getting stagnant, gon' shake it up like a soda before I explode, cause I know my anger's taking over. I'm sitting cool, I've been the truth like a palm tree. I stay hidden like I'm fighting for the army. Can't be exposed, I'm a shaky rose in the hurricane. I know I'm driving drunk, but who the fuck just blur the lanes? Don't know my destination, no license and registration. Separating body from mind, that's segregation. This is my story, I don't care about your narration. Rising like Jesus, but I'm finna do some hell raising. I be staying to myself like it's death row. My final meal is my heart and I'ma eat it cold. Even though my existence here just keeps me low. Hands to the sky, I don't know what I'm reaching for. I came, I saw, the pain was raw, my aim was off. Am I incapable of love? At times I feel numb, like a face full of them drugs. I kicked the habit, it's still active, it still has my soul. Will I ever feel some pleasure? The ghost of the future told me get my shit together.